Hey guys, in this course you are going to learn how to create a simple PHP7 applications using Bootstrap 4 and JavaScript. So this is exactly you are going to build in this course. So basically this course is segregated into two sections. In the first sections we will cover create, update, delete and implement JavaScript. So for the validation and other steps we will use JavaScript. And in the second section we will cover login, logout, register and simple voter system. So in general, a users can register account and log in to create, update and delete the post. So let me show you the demo. Whatever the users post in their account is displayed over here. So as you can see over here, this is our home page and here we have two users post. One is of a cat and other one is of dog. And this is our database. Here we can store username and password and notes. As you can see here we have two tables. The first one is auth. Here we have stored the username and password. As you can see over here we have couple of username and password. And the second we have notes, which stores the post created by logged in user. Now I'm going to show you how our project works. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to truncate both tables. Okay, so all the user's name and the password that has been created and all the nodes that was created by the logged in user. So let me truncate the nodes, operations, and empty the table. Okay, and our table is empty. As you can see, our table is empty. Now let me empty the auth as well. And our auth is also empty. Now we are going to create new username and password. So for that what I'm doing is that I'm using two extra browser. So this is our Microsoft Edge and this is Opera Mini. So from three browsers I'm going to create three username. Okay, so now let's get started. Okay, now we are going to create a new username. So first I'm using the Firefox. So I hit in the login and currently we do not have a username and password. So click here. So not yet registered and click here. So this is our registration form. Okay, here we can create username and password. And so before creating, what I'm going to show you is that how our validation works. So as you can see, when our entire form was empty, we see the validation, name empty, password empty, and repeat password empty. Okay, so if we give our name cat and hit register, and here we see the validation for password and repeat password. Okay, and if we give the password cat and for the repeat password, if we make a mistake, say cat1234 and hit register, so here we can see password did not match. Okay, so now let's create our username, cat123 and cat123 and hit register. Okay, register successfully. Click here to login. Click here to login. Now we can log in. Okay, if we go to our table and refresh this, so here we can see our new username and password, cat, and password cat123. Okay, now let's do from other browser as well. So I'm going here in Opera Mini, login. Okay, we don't have a user and password, so click here. Here in the register, dog123 dog123 and hit register. Okay, new account created. Okay, now I'm moving to Microsoft Edge and here I'm going to create new username, Fox, Fox123 Fox123 and hit register. Okay, here also created. Okay, now let's go to our table and refresh, and here we can see three different username and password. Okay, the username and password created. Now we are going to log in from the respective browsers. Okay, so first from the Firefox, cat123 and hit login. And this is our admin page. Okay, moving to Opera Mini, dog123 and hit login. And we have entered into the admin page, Microsoft Edge, Fox, FOX123 and hit login. So this is our admin page for Fox. So now we are going to create node. So as you can see over here on the navbar, we have create node, hit on create node, and we will see the form to create node. Okay, so here we have used JavaScript for validations. Okay, if the users hit on submit button and if the fields are empty, then we see this pop-up, one or more fields are empty. Okay, now we are going to write nodes. Title, cat, I love to drink milk, and hit submit button. And again we see this beautiful pop-up, submitted successfully. Okay, and our node is submitted. So if we go to our database and in the table nodes, we see our nodes. Title, I'm cat, name cat, nodes, I love to drink milk. And we got this name cat from this session. And if we click on the list, we see our nodes listed, and we have two actions, update and delete. So before going to update and delete, let's go and create a nodes from the other users as well. So as you can see over here, we have logged in as dog here in the Opera Mini. Okay, here I'm going to create nodes. So this node is for dog. So title, dog, I love bones, and hit submit button. Submit successfully. Okay, and the node is created. Okay, and hit on the list, and this is a nodes of dog. And now moving to Microsoft Edge, where we have logged in as Fox. Okay, here we are going to create a nodes for Fox. I'm Fox, clever than you all. Hit submit. Submitted successfully, and hit on the list. And this is a nodes of Fox. And the nodes are inserted into database. And this is how the nodes are displayed in homepage. So now let's move to update and delete. Okay, if the cat wants to update his nodes, so let's update. I love to eat stick. Okay, and submit. Updated successfully, and the post is updated. Okay, so if we go to our home page and reload, and here as you can see over here, the post is updated. Okay, so if the cat wants to delete his post, so delete. Are you sure? If he hits cancel, then it's not deleted. Okay, so nothing is changed. And if the cat wants to delete, are you sure? Okay, and the post is gone, and also here in the home page. Apart from this, you are also going to learn how to secure your admin page. Okay, so for that I'm going to log out, and we are routed back to login. Okay, if somebody wants to have unauthorized access, so let me show you. If somebody wants to access the admin page, example list.php. So as you can see, we are routed back to login page. And if they want to access the create page, create.php, and again they are redirected to login page. Okay, so we need to have proper username and password in order to access the admin page. So let me log in, cat cat123. and we are logged in. And at the end of the course, you are going to learn how to create a simple vote system. So as you can see over here, so currently we have deleted the cat nodes. So let me create new. I'm Tom. I love fish. Okay. And this is cat list. Okay, so this is cat nodes. And if you go to Opera Mini, so here we can see the dog nodes list. And in the Microsoft Edge, here is Fox nodes list. So in this tree, you can see that the Fox can only view his nodes and he can update or delete only his nodes. And same with dog, and here same with cat. So this is a simple voter system, and this is also you are going to create in this course.